Self management skills are the core skills that govern our attitude and approach towards life, further making us self confident when faced with difficult times. बेटा सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स वो स्किल्स होती हैं जो हमारे एटीट्यूड को बताती हैं कि जब हम मुश्किल समय में हैं तो अपने सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस से कैसे हमें मुश्किल समय से बाहर आना है. These skills complement variety of other personal and professional skills. इसमें पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल स्किल्स दोनों आती हैं. The way we deal with others in our professional and personal life is dependent on the way we deal with ourselves. Our self management skills. हम प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल लाइफ में कैसे किसी से डील करते हैं उसे सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट स्किल कहते हैं. Improving this self-management skill builds our confidence to face different pleasant and unpleasant situation in our day-to-day life. इससे हमें अच्छी और बुरी सिचुएशंस का सामना करने में कॉन्फिडेंस हमारा बढ़ता है. In our words, self-management skills refers to cluster of our personal qualities such as personality trait, social grace and ease with language, personal habit, friendliness, optimism that differentiate us from other people to varying degree. Self management skill involves. Self management skills में क्या क्या आता है? Our ability to manage our emotion, our ability to manage others by mapping their mood, ability to function harmoniously with others, our openness to learning new ideas, our tolerance to not so pleasant situations, our readiness to accept people for different cultures, our willingness to make things work in our personal and professional life, our ability to manage situations by weighing in sensitivity एंड अट्यूनिंग आर एक्शन अकॉर्डिंगली. ये सारी चीज़ें सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट स्किल में आती हैं. सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट स्किल को फिर 3 ब्रॉड कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है. 3 बेसिक स्किल्स हैं, रैशनल एबिलिटीज़, पर्सनल एबिलिटीज़ एंड इंटरपर्सनल एबिलिटीज़. रैशनल एबिलिटी का मतलब है किसी प्रॉब्लम को समझना और उसका सल्यूशन निकालना. पर्सनल क्वालिटी का मतलब है कि हम कितना इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं किसी को काम को करने को और अपने आप को कितना रिस्पॉन्सिबल समझते हैं कि हम काम कर सकें. इंटरपर्सनल स्किल का मतलब है हम टीम में एज ए मेंबर कैसे पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, अपने कस्टमर्स अपने क्लाइंट्स के साथ एज ए लीडर हम कैसे इनैक्ट करते हैं. This was your first session of self-management skills. Now in the second section, there are factors affecting self-confidence. These factors are locus of control, self-efficacy, self-esteem, self-monitoring and positive thinking. In the locus of control, it is a degree which you perceive control over a situation being internal or external, means how you control the situation. Self-efficacy refers to belief about your own ability to deal with event and challenges, that how you deal with the events. Self-esteem, it is a feeling of self-worth. If we have high self-esteem, we have positive feeling. If we have low self-esteem, then they are strongly affected by what others think of them. Self-monitoring, it is extent to which you base your behavior on the cues from other people and situation. Means you have to pay attention to what behavior is appropriate in certain situation, such as staying clean and hygienic. Positive thinking, every individual should have attitude that in every situation he or she must have a positive thinking, not the negative. If we have positive thinking, then only we can do the work proper. Thank you.